Wake up between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the morning to start your day with intention. The first thing you should do is drink a glass of water to properly hydrate your body after sleep. After that, step outside and allow your body to get some natural sunlight exposure. Then, eat a high-protein breakfast to provide your body with the energy it needs to begin the day. Next, spend 5 to 10 minutes meditating to calm your mind and improve your focus. If you have enough time, add a quick workout session to activate your body and boost your energy levels. If you enjoy caffeine, have a cup of coffee or another caffeinated drink to enhance your concentration, and then move into a period of deep, focused work. Later in the day, take some time to read a book to stimulate your mind and expand your knowledge. When it's time for another meal, choose food that is high in protein and low in carbohydrates to maintain steady energy. Step outside again to get fresh air and additional sunlight, then spend some time connecting with friends or family to strengthen your relationships. After that, engage in a creative activity, such as painting, playing music, or writing, to express yourself and stimulate creativity. For dinner, choose a meal rich in protein along with some healthy carbohydrates to properly fuel your body. About an hour before going to bed, take magnesium to help relax your body, and avoid using screens to reduce blue light exposure. Before sleeping, reflect on your day, set clear goals for the next day, and practice breath work to calm your mind. Finally, go to bed between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock at night so your body can fully recover and prepare for the next day. Following this simple yet powerful daily routine can gradually transform your life and help you grow and improve consistently.